Hello friends, today we're going to talk about finger exercises. Finger exercises are crucial for beginning guitarists to build a strong foundation for playing. These exercises enhance finger strength, dexterity, coordination, enabling smoother transitions between chords and notes. For novices, the guitar's fretboard can feel awkward, and fingers may struggle to press strings accurately. Regular exercises, like chromatic scales or spider crawls, train muscles to move independently, reducing strain and improving precision. Moreover, finger exercises improve muscle memory, allowing beginners to play without overthinking finger placement. This fosters confidence and speeds up learning. Exercises also prevent injuries by warming up muscles and joints, reducing the risk of strain from repetitive motions. They help develop calluses, essential for comfortable playing, and improve rhythm and timing through repetitive patterns. Starting with simple exercises such as 1, 2, 3, 4 patterns across strings builds endurance and familiarizes players with the fretboard. Consistent practice, 10 to 15 minutes daily, yields noticeable progress, and it makes complex techniques like bends and hammer-ons more achievable. I can say for myself, this was a game changer. Ultimately, finger exercises lay the groundwork for technical proficiency, musical expression, and long-term enjoyment of the guitar, setting beginners up for success. Let's go. So we're going to start off with some finger exercises. First thing we want to realize is our index we're going to call finger 1, our middle finger, finger 2, our ring, finger 3, and our pinky, finger 4. We're going to start in the first position down here by the nut of the guitar. First thing we're going to do is take our right hand and have the pick go back and forth. My palm is sitting on the bridge and the saddle of the guitar, barely touching the strings. My other fingers are laying open over the strings. The closer I am with the right hand, the less I will ever have to look, because I'll just feel right where I'm at. So I have this motion, down, up, down, up. And I'm going to practice this on every string. Down, up, down, up. Be surprised at how difficult that is when you're just starting. And it's still something I practice to this day. Down, up on each of the strings. I can't stress enough how important it is to keep your hand stuck to the guitar in some form or fashion, whether it's your finger, your pinky, your palm. When you're away from the guitar, it's a little more difficult to find the notes. It can be done, but it's much easier when you're connected to the guitar. Another point is you can't miss this first string. When you put your hand down and you just go down, you're always going to hit it. And once you know where that's at, you can find all the other strings. So down, up, 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 down, up. So here we go. We're going to coordinate two hands together. This is the importance of the finger exercises. This is going to help everything you do in guitar playing. When you do these exercises, it'll get your chords playing a lot quicker, and you'll start building the foundations for some scales so you can play some lead guitar as well. So the first thing we're going to do is play a downstroke on the low E string, and then an upstroke after we put our index finger on the first fret, F note. And it's important the placement here. I'm placing right below the fret. I don't want to place my finger back down this way because I'll get a buzzy noise. So I'm right up by the fret, and that's what we're really working on, is nice finger placement, good notes. So I play my index finger, open string, index finger with an upstroke, a downstroke on the next note, the F sharp, with a middle finger, and then an upstroke with the ring finger on the G note, and then a downstroke on the G sharp A flat note at the 4th fret. So to review this string, down, up, down, up, down. I got a little palm mute going on here, something we haven't talked about yet. My palm is gently sitting on the strings right here near the saddle on the bridge. And this is open, but this is with a little palm mute. I'll still hear the note. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down with the right hand. I'm going to go on now and do the next string. Down, up, down, up, down. Nice and slow. Down, up, down, up, down. Notice the finger placement is right below the frets, because if I'm back, you're going to hear this. A buzzy sound. So I want to be right near the fret. Next string, the D string. Down, up, down, up, down. The G string. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Now I'm going to start at the 5th fret and do the same thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, up, down, up. 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 Again, placing right near that fret so I don't get this buzzy noise. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, 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 down, up. Singing the notes also helps you get in tune with your instrument. Now I'm going to go to the 9th fret and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, 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 down, up. Now if I have a cutaway guitar like this acoustic here, I'll even go and start at 12 again here. Once I get that figured out, then I'm going to start playing with the pattern a little bit and playing with the notes. So the first thing I might do is this. I'll play the 1 finger, then the pinky, then the 2 finger, and the 3 finger. So I'll do a 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3. Maybe I'll do something like this. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I really want to do is just have this ability to do what I want, when I want, whatever I think at that moment. So in this case, I'm going to go 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4. So I'm practicing all forms and patterns. I'll start and do the same thing up at the 5th fret. 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4. You notice the right hand is still going up, down, down, up, down, up. Sounds like some old movie from the 50s when you just randomly pick notes. And just practice that, jumping string to string. The pick going back and forth, alternating. I'll go up to the 9th fret and do the same thing. In this case, I'm going to do 1, 3, 2, 4. So 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4. Now again, this is going to make your chords so much easier to play just by getting used to the instrument like this. Leave it at that.